Hey everyone! Is your computer running slow? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a free tool to optimize Windows 10 and speed up your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Windows PC Manager. Click on the first link from Microsoft and download the tool. After it's downloaded, find the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to install it. Follow the simple steps to complete the installation. Once the tool is installed, open it up. The first thing you'll see is a button that says Boost. Click it, and this will clean up temporary files and free up memory, making your PC faster right away. Next, go to the Health Check tab. Click the button to run a quick check, and the tool will fix any issues it finds, like clearing unnecessary files. Now let's manage your storage. Go to the Storage Management, choose Deep Cleanup. This will remove junk files that are taking up space on your computer. You can also check for large files you don't need anymore, and delete them to free up even more space. If you have apps you don't use, go to the Manage Apps section and uninstall them. This will make your computer run even smoother. Lastly, go to the Startup Apps tab. Disable any apps that you don't want to start automatically when your PC turns on. This helps your computer start faster. Once you've made all these changes, restart your PC to apply them. You should notice a big improvement in how your computer runs. And that's it. Now you know how to use this free tool to optimize Windows 10. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.